Okay, so in this question, it says to expand these here. Okay, so they're two different terms. What I would do is rewrite this to be 1 minus 3x to the power of a third. And then, because this is cube root, isn't it, to power third, and then this one then, I would take that up. So it becomes power minus 1, right? And we want to expand here. Both, we're going to do them separately, right? And I would spend some time doing them separately. Don't try and do it all on one line. Okay? Take your time on it. So we do the first bit, we'll expand it, then we do the second bit, we'll expand it, then we put it together. So when I expand this using the binomial expansion on page 2 in the formula booklet, you've got 1 plus then n, which is a third, times x, which is minus 3x, okay? Plus then n minus 1, which will be minus 2/3, over 2 factorial, or sorry, 1 times 2, which is 2. And then you got then this, then squared, okay? So you've got to square this. And remember now that it's minus 3x, right? That's what your x value is becoming, minus. Okay, don't forget about that. And then you're going to square it all here. So we'll work this out. 1 third times 3 is just 1. This then we maybe use our calculator. So 1/3 there. 2/3. So we get minus a ninth. Of course, when you square that, you get 9x squared. The minus disappears, doesn't it? Because minus 3 times minus 3 is a positive. So this becomes 1 minus x, and then 9 times 9 is just 1. So we got that. Okay, so that's expanded. Let's now expand this. And don't worry about the 6 here, right? We'll sort the 6 out later. Let's just do this. Okay, so then you've got 1 plus n, which is minus 1, times x, which is 5x. Okay, in this case. Plus then n, which is minus 1, times n minus 1, which is going to be minus 2, over then 1 times 2, which is 2, times then b squared, which is 5x all squared. Okay, so this becomes 1, then plus minus there becomes a minus, so that's just minus 5x. This then, well, you could use a calculator, you could see they cancel out, right? Because that's 2, and then becomes plus, minus becomes a minus a plus. So plus then, and you square this, 25x squared. Okay? Wonderful. So we've expanded both. Then we need to put it together. So when we put it together, we're going to have this, okay, which is just this answer here, 1 minus x squared, okay, and then it's take away 6 times all of this second one here, okay. So this will be 1 minus x squared, and then take the 6 through, so it'll be minus 6 times minus 5x is plus 30x, and minus 6 times 25 is going to be minus 150x squared. So this becomes 1 minus 29x, no, plus 29x, sorry, when you put them two together. And we've got minus 6, I forgot about that, minus x squared minus x 150x squared, so it's minus 151x squared. So let's just get this right then. So then simplifying the numbers, that'll be minus 5 plus 29x minus 151x squared. And we're done, that's our full expansion. Now it does say then, doesn't it? It does say, where does it say, state the range of values for x which your expansion is valid. Okay, so we've got to do that thing, but you've got to look at the fact you've expanded 2 series, right? So if we look at the expansion of the first one, right, there, you've got mod of minus 3x is less than 1, yeah? Okay, for the first one, and we could simplify that, of course, because there's a minus there. When you take it out, it just becomes a plus 3. Okay, so that means mod x is less than a third. Okay, but also we must consider the second expansion where 5x was the mod. Okay, so then you get mod x then is less than 1/5. Now when it comes to this, you've got to choose the smaller one. Okay, you've got to choose the smaller one, because if you choose the bigger one, then there are certain things in the bigger one that won't fit in the smaller one. Okay, and then you'd have errors. Okay, you can only choose the smaller one so it'll satisfy both. So the smaller one in this case, of course, is this. Okay, right, so we'd say then, therefore, x is less than 1/5, greater than minus 1/5. Okay? And it satisfies everything.